Hello friends, welcome back to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's play with Legos and build numbers 1 through 10. You need to have Legos that have squares and rectangles in it. When we finish building, we'll open the Kinder Egg. 1. Get 5 squares of Legos and copy me. Number 1. 2. Get 3 rectangles and 2 squares. Watch me and then make the same. Number 2. 3. Get 3 rectangles and 2 squares. First watch and then copy. Number 3. Next is 4. Get 1 rectangle and 6 squares. My turn and then your turn. Number 4. 5. Can you get 3 rectangles and 2 squares? Wait for me and then it's your turn. Number 5. 6. Get 3 rectangles and 3 squares. Watch me how I build it. It's number 6. 7 is next. You need 1 rectangle and 4 squares. Copy me. Number 7. Let's make 8. Get 3 rectangles and 4 squares. It's number 8. 9. Can you get 3 rectangles and 3 squares? Let's make it together. Nine. And last number is 10. Get 2 rectangles and 11 squares. Can you build it by yourself? Number 10. Can we take 2 numbers and make 11? Put them back and let's make 12. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Great job, guys! Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a polar bear. I hope you had fun building numbers with me. I will see you in the next video. Bye.